Yeah, you can see it. Then my already prepared sew, size 40. Yeah, I'll be using 3 size 9 fishing thread, size 9 3. Then you start by making your knot. Then you fix. Then work 25 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you work 25 chains. Yeah, after working 25 chains, you fix. Slip knit. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So you turn. Then once you turn, you jump the 2 stitches, the first and second stitch. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. 1, 2. So you single crochet on the 25 chains you made. So once you crochet on the last stitch, then you crochet on the first and second stitch of the sew. The first one, then you crochet on the second stitch. Then you turn. So on the second row, once you turn, you jump just 1 stitch. Then on the next stitch, you continue your single crochet. So at the end of second row, you single crochet on first and second stitch of the sew. On the second stitch, single crochet. You turn. So once you turn, you jump the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch for the third row. So once you crochet till this the last stitch of this third stitch, crochet on first and second stitch of the sew, turn, jump the first stitch. So you continue working till you work more 10 rows. More 10 rows. This is 2 rows. More 10 rows, making it 12 rows. Yeah, this is what you have at the end of 12 rows. So at the end, you slip knit, then make 1 chain to end. Yeah, the next thing is to make the side belt. You can see it. And this other one. You chain 11. You can see it. Then after that, you single crochet down. jump the first stitch, single crochet on the next 10 stitches. Yeah, you can see it. So after crocheting on the last stitch, you single crochet on first and second stitch of the sew. The next stitch, single crochet. So you turn. So on this one, once you turn, you are going to jump the 2 stitches. So you jump the 2 stitches, crochet up, 1, 2, crochet on the next stitch, so we crochet on 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the 6th stitch you slip stitch, then you turn. So once you turn, you jump the slip knit, then single crochet down on the next stitch, crochet on the last stitch, single crochet on first and second stitch, turn, jump the first stitch, single crochet up. Yeah, you can see this is the 3rd row. So you turn to start your 4th row, jump the 2 stitches on the sew, then on the next stitch single crochet on the next 10 stitches. So once you crochet on the last stitch, you make 1 chain, turn, then single crochet down. Yeah, at the end you crochet on the 2 stitches on the sew, then you turn, then you jump the 2 stitches, continue crocheting. This is the 6th row. So you crochet up, then for the 7th row you make 1 chain, crochet down, crochet on first and second stitch. Yeah, for the 8th row you jump the 2 stitches, then single crochet on 5 stitches, then on the 6th stitch you slip knit, then you turn. So once you turn, you jump the slip knit, single crochet down. This is the 9th row. So once you single crochet down, single crochet on first and second stitch of the sew, turn, jump the 2 stitches, then crochet up for the last stitch. Yeah, this is the 10th row. So you will still single crochet on that slip knit we made, which is this. Then you make 1 chain, then cut it up. Yeah, you can see it. Then for this, so you're going to make a knot. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Then you fix. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. You turn. So once you turn, jump the 2 stitches, single crochet up. So once you crochet on the last stitch, make 1 chain, turn. So if you crochet down, so once you crochet down, crochet on 2 stitches on the sew, turn, jump the 2 stitches, crochet up. Then once you crochet on the last stitch on top, you make 1 chain, turn. Continue working till you work more 9 rows plus this first row, making it 10 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing now is to start this crossing belt. For this belt, then you make a knot. Then we'll be starting from this last stitch for this design here. So you work 35 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So continue to work 35 chains. Yeah, after making 35 chains, you fix here, single crochet. Then you single crochet on the next stitch, single crochet till you reach here. Yeah, after that you work 32 chains for the back belt. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2 chains. Yeah, after making the 32 chains, then you fix. So we're going to count out 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then on the 4th stitch, single crochet, slip knit. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, jump the 2 stitches, crochet on the next, single crochet all through. So continue single crocheting to this point. Yeah, after that you single crochet on the 1st and 2nd stitch of the sew. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you jump the 2 stitches. 1, 2, then single crochet on the next. So you single crochet on the 1st and 2nd stitch of this short belt. 1, next stitch, 2. So you turn and jump the 2 stitches. 1, 2. Then on the next stitch, continue single crocheting until you crochet on the last stitch of this short belt, somewhere here, the last stitch. Then on the last stitch of this belt, this short belt, slip knit. Then you turn. Once you turn, jump the slip knit, which is this. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Yeah, at the end you crochet on first and second stitch of this short belt. Then you turn, jump the 2 stitches, 1, 2. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So you will single crochet round now till this point. Then you turn back as you make more 2 rows of single crochet. 2 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing now is to make the back belt, as in the front belt, I mean. You make your knot, then you work 36 chains. Yeah, after working 36 chains, then you jump the first stitch, then on the next stitch, single crochet. So it's remaining 35 chains now. So you single crochet on the 35 chains you made. Yeah, after crocheting on the last stitch, then single crochet on first and second stitch here. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you jump just 1 stitch, 1. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So when you crochet down to this point, crochet on first and second stitch of this belt, turn, jump just 1 stitch. Then when you crochet up here on the last stitch here, make 1 chain, turn back. So continue working till you work more 5 rows plus this one, make it 6 rows, more 5 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing now is to fix the buckle. So this is the buckle. You fix it here. Just round stitching. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Thanks for watching. Please, if you love this video, subscribe below this video for more tutorials on how to crochet. Thank you.